everyone, I am Dr. Vidushi Agrawal from 2019 batch of Government Institute of Medical Sciences, Greater Noida, and I have secured an All India rank of 166 in recently conducted INICET November 2025. So this video is about what mistakes I did before NEET PG and how I rectified them before my INICET to get this rank. So let's get started. So my first mistake was not having a concise resource. Before my NEET PG, I was revising everything from my RR and my handwritten concise notes, due to which I was not able to revise the bulkier subjects like obs and gynae and surgery in a single day. So it took me more than 1 day to complete these subjects in the last 7 to 10 day revision. And because of this, my other shorter subjects did not get enough time, and therefore I could not revise all the 19 subjects in the last 10 days before NEET PG, and that was a big mistake. So before INICET and just after actually the results of my NEET PG, I bought BTR and I watched all the videos along with the compile modules, TNDs, extra edge videos, and I revised those BTR notes only again and again, and therefore I could revise surgery and obs gynae in 4 to 5 hours each in the last 10 days of before my INICET. Also, I made a choti copy which comes with BTR, which I revised on the daily basis just after getting up. So the volatile points were also covered in that, so that I did not miss out on the volatile things. My second mistake was not having enough MCQ practice. So for that, do all the TNDs of BTR whenever they were live, and I attended all the discussion classes of TND, which gave me enough MCQ practice other than the PYQs. After that, I could see my GT scores also improving as I was doing more and more question practice. So my third mistake was taking a lot of pressure. After the INICET May 2025, which was our very first exam attempt, most of my friends got selected into AIIMS or Central Institutes. I was happy for them, but I was also feeling deep inside that maybe I can do better, I can also get there, and it put a silent pressure on my preparation and impacted my preparation and my exam temperament negatively. So and because of it, my NEET PG rank dropped down to 7,000, which was kind of very unexpected for me. But after my NEET PG, I was at least having a seat in my hand, which gave me a confidence that yes, I can give an exam freely in the November INICET. And in November INICET, I was more calm, more grounded, and I could give exam more freely with a seat in hand. Therefore, that pressure was kind of relieved in that exam. To summarize, my 3 mistakes were: firstly, not having a concise resource and not making a choti copy. Second mistake was not doing enough MCQ practice or not attending TNDs of any platform. And third was taking a lot of exam pressure. I feel you should learn from these mistakes and you should not repeat them. I hope you liked this video and found it useful. Thanks a lot for watching till the end. Thank you.